Gucci.
Right, we're taking it easy.
Yeah, because I've just realised that the trousers that I am wearing are impeccably slippy.
Right.
Okay, so we're just going to get started, see if we can get some type of shot. I'm going to be at 35mm. Let's get this dude. Just getting like my eye in while on the back of the bike. Again, this is really different because we're at night time. I've got the 16 to 35mm f2.8 Sony G Master on. I've got the Sony A7R and I've got it on auto ISO because I'm not going to be able to change the settings while I'm on the back of a bike. However,
oh my god, it's this dude! Bro, it's this dude!
Oh my god, look who it is!
You good?
How you going on?
I'm good. Hold on.
How are you?
Bro, listen. You inspired a crazy shot from it.
Oh really?
Yeah. You know the one you took with your mobile phone?
Yeah.
Stairs? I think it was Oxford Street.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I tried to replicate it as well. It looks amazing.
Thanks, bro.
Honestly.
Thanks.
Oh, the traffic lights.
Taxi driver, maybe. Go forwards a little bit. Yeah. How are you? Good. Thank you.
This pram that's in the road.
Your pram's in the road. What are they doing? What? Yeah, it's alright. Just put my kid in the road to get run over. Multi-bus.
There are no spaces anywhere. Oh yeah.
Maybe this dude. Oh my god, it's. Tell me if you're gonna go.
Yeah, we'll do. The screen man, you're good. You got 10 seconds. Actually, no.
Changing settings while on the back of this bike is actually really hard because I've now got gloves on. It's cold. I'm sniffling.
I'm off.
Loud noises. Are you going Regi?
Yep. These guys.
Yeah. Go forwards a bit. And
Go forward a bit. He'll get a better photo. What will this go? Do you want one?
Go.
We've got time.
Perfect. Old geezer on his phone. Oh, I mean, I was so close to his face. Oh my god, I nearly hit him with the camera. I didn't realise how close I was.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How's it going? You good?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I was literally saying to my friend I really want to meet you in London.
Oh, okay.
Just by here. And I'll get the light, a nice light behind. Take a step that way a little bit.
Oh, here we go.
I've got the light on your face, so maybe go just like forwards a bit. A bit more.
Nice.
You look beautiful. Let's do Harvey and we'll get it.
Yes, please, yeah.
Yeah, do you want a picture? Yeah, you come and get it.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you, man. Or the suit. Pub.
Maybe. I think I got the suit. We're just riding around trying to get some photos, and again, like the daytime video that I did, it's really difficult. At night time with an f2.8, it's actually super hard to get the right shutter speed, because obviously I don't want it too high because it becomes too noisy, because the ISO is even higher. I've got it on auto ISO at 4000 max, but some shots are still a bit too dark. This guy's getting the angles though.
What's going on with this?
Here you can see Simon, who's been taking photography for the last 45 years. Simon has been developing his skills ever since he was a young lad. Hello, Simon.
Hello, Simon.
It'll do. Yeah, it's good. It's Gucci.
I'll do some space here for the car to go through so we can cruise here quite slowly. Oh, crash! Oh.
Jeez!
What's going on here?
Oh, he's ditched it. He's gone. Oh my goodness, stretch of the legs. Very cyberpunk shot.
Oh my Christ. I can hear the shutter noise. Pew 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 pew.
Kapow, blam. Kapow, blam, blam. Yeah. I'm just gotta find something to take a photo of. That isn't just. Yeah.
Pretty Christmas lights. Pretty.
Stay like that.
Do your photo. Get the smile. The smile, smile, smile. Looking good. Looking good.
Yeah, go. Go, sir, go. Panning shot, dude pointing. It wasn't a dude, whoops. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Please don't cancel me.
It wasn't a dude, whoops. Oh, I should have gone down there. Fuck.
Yeah, you should have. I thought that's where you were going to go, Harv.
Should I turn around? Should I turn around and go?
I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. There's a suit just on the corner there. I'm going to try and get a shot of him as he crosses, and then I'm hoping I can like crop it in.
I'm good,
How are you?
Can we take your photo? Can we take your photo? Can we take your photo? You look smart. You look good, mate. Yeah, we'll do. Nice, looking good, looking good.
You look good. So that shot that I just got of the dude in the suit, it was at 160 of a second, f2.8. ISO 3200, but obviously because we're shooting on Sony, it's turned out really good. Ooh, tasty.
Tasty.
Cab with the bus. Panning shot of somebody in the bus, because that's like the best thing to go to when there's nothing else to shoot. She's behind the pillar, and it's not even a panning shot. Panning. I tried taking a photo of the guy on the left, and he saw me, and he looked away really slowly and awkwardly.
He was loving it.
Oh, he's eating his food. Get that pie down, your son.
Oh,
Yeah, you're getting pulled.
am I? I'm actually getting pulled.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I am. Oh, here we go. Oh no. We've got police car, 2 laptops.
Personally, I'd go with an Asus, but not a... The RAM on those isn't very good.
Yeah, is it not?
No, memory's crap.
I've got no concerns about the condition of the bike. I mean, it's a bit dirty, but
They should give you an easier way of getting a photo.
tell me about it. It comes outside. Safe, all right?
Cool. Thank you.
Cheers, mate.
Thanks
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you.
Have a good night. Go home. He's gonna go home, right? He's actually a super fan. He's gonna go home, see his wife. He's gonna. Oh, you never guess who I pulled over later. Babe, it was amazing. He spoke to me and everything. Subscribe.